Good morning, John Stair, Stair Flooring, and let's get going on another project. Today we are in the basement, back at it. We got some pattern carpet going in, and got a couple things we got to work around, but hey, it's not the end of the world. This is actually a box over a sump pump. They created a step out of it, so that's kind of cool. Got to come up with a little plan to go around that. And then up a set of steps. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna haul in my tack strip, some cushion. I'm gonna figure out where to push this stuff so I can get some carpet in here and then just drag all this stuff on the carpet. It's a little bit of work, I know, guys. Kind of sucks, to be honest with you, but guess what? It's just part of the job. I mean, you're a carpet installer. People have furniture in their rooms. It's like a mechanic. You know what? People drive their cars in the wintertime. They bring their car in to get an oil change, and they just had a snowstorm. Car's gonna be full of shit. So, I mean, it's just, they go hand in hand. Let's go. Biggity bam, day 2. Let's get to some steps. Let me show you what I got done yesterday. All right, for all you hot shots, 100 yards a day, no problem. Man, I'm not in your club. There's about, I don't know, 50-ish yards of carpet. Seam right down here. And then I've got a little one back there. A lot of doorways, just some stuff to cut around. I had to put new tack strip down, as you saw. And then today we're gonna work on the steps, get these going. I'm gonna pull out some furniture underneath there. I'm gonna try to quiet these bad boys up. Wood to wood, everything nailed together. That's what it is. Uh-oh, all the police officers out there for floor covering. You can already see these steps are not built correctly. I'm not gonna be able to install them according to specs. So what's gonna happen here? I'm just picking on you guys. They're gonna be just fine. We know they are. I'm doing it. Guys, check this out. I got this wooden box here. It sits over top of that, goes onto the steps. I'm thinking of double gluing with some just regular rebar cushion. Let's see what happens here. There we go. Glued down. Let that tack up for a while. Actually, I'm gonna let that tack up while I'm kicking these bad boys on. Let's go. All right, guys, here's my step. Just enough room he can get his hands in if he needs to. The idea is to come into here and just pull back. That's why I put a metal right there to cover that up. So when he does get in and out of there, it just doesn't chew my end of my carpet up. And we'll see, 3/8 8-pound pad glued to it. See what happens. Biggity bam. We're D-O-N-E done. And things are looking fantastic. Move some furniture around, got everything vacuumed up. And there's the steps all done. Well, this turned out pretty sweet. So I'm gonna clean her up, or I should say clean her up, but load her up, get on to the next one. Let's go, have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching.